Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about thermal conduction in solid. Let's start. I have taken an iron nail. You all know that all materials are made up of tiny moving particles called atoms or molecules. So, the higher the temperature, the faster the particles move. If we heat the one end of this nail, eventually the other end becomes too hot to touch. For example, if I start heating like this, now I am not feeling any heat. Slowly, first this end will become hot and the particles at this end gains energy and they vibrate and transfer the energy to the nearer particles. So continuously when we start heating, the particles transfer heat energy to the nearer particles and so on, and the heat will be transferred throughout this nail. So, what is thermal conduction in solid means heat transfer from hot end to cold end. So, what is mean by conduction? Conduction is the process in which heat transfer from hot end to cold end in solid. So here is the simple setup. We will try to observe conduction in solid. With the wax, I have stick this thumb tag in the long iron nail. So first this end of the nail become hot and slowly the heat energy will be transferred from this end to this end. When the heat reaches at this point, the wax will melt and this thumb tag will fall first. Then again the heat will be continuously moving to this side. Then again the wax melt and it fall. And it reaches this end and it fall, and at last this end. At the end, the whole nail will become hot. So that is conduction. Heat energy transferred from hot end to cold end in solid. Heat transfer from hot end. When we check, it is hot. So heat transfer from hot end to cold end in solid. We have observed through our simple experiment. You can also try this at home.
Let's try few questions from thermal conduction. Try this first question. A rod is made half of glass and half of iron. Four pins A, B, C and D are attached to the rod by wax. The rod is heated in the center as shown. Which pin falls off first? Your time starts now. The correct answer is C, because iron is the very good conductor of heat and first pin C will fall. Try this second question. A cotton sheet is ironed with a hot electric iron. How is energy transferred through the metal base of the iron to the sheet? Option A, by conduction only. Option B, by convection only. Option C, by radiation only. And Option D, by convection and radiation only. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A, because the metal base of the ion is a solid, so only by conduction heat energy will be transferred. Try this last question. An experiment is set up to find out which metal is the best conductor of heat. Balls are stuck with wax to rods made from different metals as shown in diagram 1. The rods are heated at one end. Some of the balls fall off, leaving some as shown in diagram 2. Which labeled metal is the best conductor of heat? Your time starts now. The correct answer is A, because when we compare with B, C and D, only on A more balls fall off. It means A is a very good conductor of heat than B, C and D.
I hope you got something about thermal conduction in solid. You can try this at home and learn through your experience. Thank you.